Hi guys, how you doing? Debbie here. Sorry I've not been around. I've been feeling pretty crook past couple of days. Yesterday I had the most horrendous headache. So here we are. Today I'm going to work on vellum with Copics. Now I've just grabbed any Copics. Doesn't matter what colours you choose really, whatever you feel like. I've got the full set of Copics, so I just grabbed out whatever I felt like. The vellum I'm using today is from Spotlight, which is Australian, and it's Fundamentals, just plain vellum, nothing fancy, just plain. I'm going to work on the full sheet. You also need isopropyl alcohol. Now mine's 100%. This one's from Bunnings. I wouldn't go below 91% because it's not going to work as you want it to. Okay, so all we need to do to start is just grab one of your colours and just scribble away wherever you feel like it. Just scribble. Doesn't matter where you put it, what patterns you do. You just want to get the ink on the vellum. I'm trying to put a bit in all areas, but that's the only thing I'm doing. Okay, so that was, just in case you want to do the same, was Spring Dim Green G82. Okay, now I'm going to do Lemon Yellow, which is Y13. And same again. And scribble away. And just colour it in. This is actually quite relaxing because you're not thinking about it, you're just scribbling. A bit there. Okay. Next, I think we'll go for a pinky. So this is Hollyhock RV55. How have you all been anyway? All good, I hope. While I'm doing this, if I can just remind you that we now have our own Facebook group, DD Cards. It'd be awesome to see you over there. The only stipulations to join is you've got to have a profile picture and you've got to agree to the admin rules. Simple. Okay, so we've got green, yellow, pink. Might come in with a BG57 Jasper. Okay, and just into the gaps where you've not got anything. Doesn't matter if you go over. After all, it's alcohol ink, it'll blend. And one last colour, I think. What should we come in with? Might actually come in with a red. So this is R35 Coral. And just the odd bit where you've still got your little white gaps.
In the morning light, where dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right.
We're about good to go.
Every day's a canvas.
A little bit there. Yeah, I know it looks like a hot mess, but I promise you it won't be. Okay, now keep your pens out because you can always add more layers if you're not happy with what you've done. Right, so just an everyday old paintbrush, some of your alcohol, and then all we're going to do is just dab the alcohol onto your vellum and let it mix and mingle. You can also take your puffy tool, excuse me, if you wish to. You don't really need to though. And then just keep, don't put too much on at once because you don't want to flood it. You just want to let it do what it wants to do. So I'm going to leave that bit and come over this side. And grab some more. And just keep going until you've done your whole sheet. Now, like I said, you can always put more layers on if you're not happy. I'll quickly show you in this top corner. Let's put some of our blue back in. Just go back over. Grab a bit more of your alcohol. And same again. Just dab it on. Okay? Right, I'm going to get this done. I'll put you on fast forward a little while. If there's any questions, just leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you. Or, like I said, join our Facebook group and I'll be happy to help. I'm going to put the QR code up for the Facebook group in the video as well. So all you have to do is aim your camera on your phone at it and it'll take you straight to our group. Right, I'll get this finished and I'll be back.
In the morning light, where dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right. Every day's a canvas painted with our smiles.
Like I said, looks like a hot mess at the moment, but when you put it on white cardstock, it actually transforms and looks absolutely beautiful. Can you see? Absolutely gorgeous. So, I'm going to put my Copics away because we're finished with those for now. Need a clean piece of card. And I'm going to lay it that way. Now how gorgeous does that look? Beautiful. Okay. Part 2, making the card, will follow after this one. Please give us a thumbs up, a like and share and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.